Welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel. Today, I'm bringing you another custom theme featuring a dark mode style, fully compatible with Xiaomi global devices. On the home screen, you'll see a large transparent style clock widget. The monochrome control center also supports dual SIM icons. A lock screen with dynamic earth effects, featuring multiple styles that you can easily switch between. The dynamic effect on the lock screen is extremely smooth, featuring a minimalist style that remains visually stunning. Now, I will start customizing the theme on this Xiaomi device. I'll be using these Chinese themes as the base for my customization. The backup files of these themes are available in the description of the video. First, I will select this theme to apply all components to the device. Now, go back to the theme customization page. Next, choose a theme to apply the icon pack. This is the theme I will use for the icons. Next, apply the theme to the status bar. I will use this theme to apply the dual SIM icons on the status bar. At this point, I will remove the default clock widget of the custom theme and proceed to install the large transparent clock widget. At this point, you will need a specific file to be able to perform this action. This file will also be available in the description of the video. After downloading the file to your phone, proceed to extract it. A new folder will appear after extraction. Now proceed to install the app on your Xiaomi device. As for the remaining files, just leave them in their current location. Now open the app you just installed and go through the initial setup steps to start using it. At this point, you can create a new folder inside your device's storage for the app to use. Name the new folder Qt. Select Use this folder so the app can function properly. Complete the setup process with the app. Now, we'll place the clock widget on the home screen of your Xiaomi device. On the widget placement screen, scroll to find the Qt widget and choose any size you prefer. At this point, long press the widget and resize it to make it larger. Tap on the widget and it will automatically open the custom widget app. Now, we will import the widgets from the folder we extracted from the downloaded file. Repeat the process several times to import all 7 widgets. Each time you import a widget, it will appear in the list below. This action doesn't allow us to select multiple widgets to import at once, so we need to repeat the process multiple times to add all the widgets. Each widget can be used individually. If you don't like the large clock widget, you can use the other widgets below instead. After importing all the widgets, now select the large clock widget to set it up and start using it. This is the widget preview. Tap the save icon to save the widget and exit. Now, the transparent large clock widget will appear on your home screen like this. Basically, we have now completed the theme customization process. Next, we will change the dynamic wallpaper styles on the lock screen. Tap the clock icon on the lock screen to change the style of the dynamic wallpaper. Dynamic earth wallpapers with beautiful and smooth effects. Below are toggle switches that let you turn the dynamic wallpaper on or off, as well as disable quick shortcuts on the lock screen. The control center will support Xiaomi devices running Hyperos 2.2, featuring dual SIM icons on the status bar. The theme will also apply to system apps such as the phone app, messaging app, and even the settings app, but it can only be applied in light mode. Everything you need to customize the theme is included in the video description. I hope you'll enjoy this custom theme. Thanks for watching video.